Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I am 25 weeks pregnant and I have been on the lookout for some comfortable maternity shirts for the cooler weather. This one from Hello MIZ does not disappoint. I live in this shirt. It is so comfortable. I love the color and the fit. It is perfect. I got the size extra large. I am a 44-inch bust, so I went by that and it fits perfectly. I love that it's a thinner material, so I can layer it with a sweater that I am able to take off if I do get too hot. The mock turtleneck is super cute without being annoying on the neck. I love the rib design. It's a really nice look, and the fabric is really nice and soft, and the hem is very well stitched also. I love cuddling up in bed, reading a book. This shirt is perfect for just everyday wear while I'm doing work or whatever else I'm doing around the house. If you're looking for a super comfortable, very easy to take care of maternity shirt, I highly recommend this one. It is my favorite shirt. I basically live in it, and that's my point of view.